Alright, we're cleaning a small house today, and we've already pre-sprayed. The carpets aren't too bad. There's some wear, and then there's some traffic patterns and everything. So it's the same old thing we always do. I'll put links in the video description. If you're thinking about getting into a business like this, I'll give you links and everything, so you can go check out what we're using. I put any other details in there. Now there's another cat.
We're just using a thin cotton bonnet to do this with. So
And this is a blind cat. Yeah, they told us. So we got a lot of cats here. We like cats, so.
Yeah, we're cat lovers. We don't own a cat.
Not currently.
Owning them is different than loving them.
Yeah. Yeah, we'd have to pay a pet deposit to have a cat.
I don't want to have a cat because I don't like the responsibility of ownership. I mean, I love cats and I like dogs and I like birds.
Yeah.
I
Well,
just don't want to own any of them.
It's the same reason we don't have cockroaches in our apartment, because we didn't want to pay the pet deposit.
Yeah, the pet deposit. Yeah. But it's just picking up everything as it goes along, absorbing everything right into the cotton. So now these carpets have some they have some wear in them a little bit. Just it's how all carpets get, but they have a little wear. That won't come out, of course, because it's nothing to come out. It's just wear. It's damage.
And it's there's a lot of dirt. I don't know if you can see really good outside. There's actually a lot of, it's like an unpaved driveway, and so there's dirt, and in rainy weather, everything's going to get tracked in anyway, so. Plus they have cats.
Now we got other rooms we're cleaning in this house, but they're dark and we're not going to make a video of them.
No.
This will be the focal point, the living room.
Yeah, you get the gist of it.
That's right. It's doing a good job. All the dark stuff's just coming right out.
Okay. Now it's pretty cold today, and the air is saturated because it's been raining the last few days. So ordinarily these carpets would be dry in under an hour, but now on a day like today, it could take 2 or 3 hours for them to completely dry. But it's still low moisture. We're going to clean this whole house on less than a gallon of pre-spray.
Yeah, something like that. They won't put. Well, the homeowner said they clean it themselves with a store-bought machine, but they don't like the drying times. They want something that'll dry quicker, and that's what we're going to get, is a quick drying time. We advertise clean and dry in about an hour, and that's what we get. Even on a day like this, it'll probably be dry in an hour or less.
Maybe not.
It should be.
They've got this propane heater in here and everything, so it may be a pretty dry air in here.
Let me just go over this problem area a little more. It's taking out things pretty good. Get this area a little bit better.
Yeah, it's dark today, so there's maybe some shadow effects and stuff in
Yeah,
here.
the camera may not make it look dark in here, but it's dark in here, so it's...
Well, the problem is the camera usually boosts the light, and then when it does that, it blows out the highlights and everything, and you end up having everything's exaggerated, so you're going to see the shadow areas and stuff a little bit. Everything we do. Yeah, the thing you see when you see people making videos with these cleaning carpet and stuff, realize the cameras they're using aren't showing the carpet the way they see it with the naked eye. So they may see a perfect looking carpet with the naked eye, but the camera's still showing some like damp areas. If they're a little bit damper than the rest, are going to look darker. So there's little tricks of the camera. I think we're about done in this room, and I'm gonna make this a short video, and you got the basic idea. Let's see, blind kitty, one more time. Yeah, poor thing. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check the video description. I'll put some links and stuff in there. And until next time, thanks for watching.